Let's go, baby. Come on.
7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you would run, but you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Phoenix back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and over here's another town that I'll go walking to, with the rain in my shoes.
Rain in my shoes.
Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Yeah. Showed your photograph to an old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They say yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. I finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, we're bound on such a cold dark afternoon. As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained that he left me with a prayer that I find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and over here's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes.
Rain in my shoes.
Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, yeah, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky, go!
Give it up for that band. Ain't that good, man?